Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I feel like putting on makeup again. Even though we're not going anywhere these days, I have discovered a few new products that I am completely and utterly in love with. The Estee Lauder Futurist Hydra Rescue Foundation. It is one of the most beautiful, glowy, dewy products I have ever used. It has SPF 45 and it's so moisturizing. It lasts for a very long time, still looking natural on the skin, and it leaves you with this just natural glow from within. Love, love, love. And of course, the SPF 45 will come in handy soon. To cover my dark circles, because I do have them, the YSL All Hour Concealer, just right there in the divots underneath my eyes and in the inner corner. And then I'm gonna just blend gently with a beauty blender for a seamless application. Love this concealer. Again, one of the most hydrating products I've used so far, but also it just sets beautifully without caking, without cracking in the fine lines. So very, very natural on the skin. To set underneath my eyes, I'm going to use the Hourglass Veil Translucent Powder because it's very light, undetectable. I'm going to use, this is actually a eyeshadow brush, Bobbi Brown eyeshadow brush. I'm just going to use it to precision powder only in the parts that I want to. The T-zone, a little bit on the eyelids, and of course underneath the eyes, and we don't want a shiny nose. Sip of coffee and let's get bronzing. I made it my mission to finish this Becca Capri Coast Sunlit Bronzer. It's so beautiful, but it just seems like never ending. I've had this forever, but it's one of my favorites. It's beautiful. It has a slight shimmer, just enough to give you that sun-kissed summer is here glow. So as usual, a little bit on the forehead where the sun would hit. I'm gonna go under the cheekbones a little and underneath the jawline just to chisel a little bit. But other than that, I just wanna give my skin a natural bronzy glow. This is a product I don't reach for too often because it's quite strong, but today we're going the extra mile. The Marc Jacobs highlighter, Do You. I'm going to just add it on the highest points of my face. But like I said, it's a pretty strong product. So I'm going to use a wet beauty blender and just melt that into the skin until it becomes one with the skin and it's barely detectable, giving you that naturally glowy, and I'm going to say glowy probably 100 times in this video. Cupid's bow, bridge of the nose. For the eyes, I went a little different today. The Estee Lauder 115 Pure Color Envy Liquid Matte. This is a lipstick, but hey, I love the color. It's au naturel and it's like velvet. I have not experienced this kind of texture before. There's quite a few lips that I love when it comes to matte, but this one, I don't know how to explain it. It's almost pillowy. It's very velvety, it dries beautifully, and it doesn't crack once it dries. It just stays very smooth. And then I'm going to top that with my 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil by Urban Decay. This is in Lucky. I'm just going to gently line my upper and lower lash line and then just diffuse either with a pencil brush or with your finger. Use whatever you have handy. I love this because it has a touch of shimmer, so it gives your eye, a little something because we did add that matte base on it. So repeat the process on your next eye. Lash line, smudge it. I'm going to go a little bit into the waterline as well. I always curl my lashes. At this point, I ran out of every single mascara I have in my house, so this is going to do Big T's by Buxom. It's finished as well. It barely did my lashes, but hey. I'm going to use the same lipstick in Au Naturel to put it on my cheeks. I would advise to work one cheek at a time because it dries fast, so you're gonna have to work fast, hence my rushing motions here. However, the color is just, it's almost like a powdery blush tone. It's just gorgeous, and then when you add it on the lips, natural nude. Again, it feels like nothing I've had before. I'm going to diffuse the color a little bit with my fingers, and then you didn't think I was going to stop there. You know I love a glossy lip, and Persona in Peach, I'm going to top that off and just give my lips that juicy, yummy look. And yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna finish my coffee and I'm gonna rock this look in the house for the rest of the day until later this afternoon when I'm gonna go for a run. Love you guys.